Hello everyone, today I'm going over a very quick tip on UI interface in Blender and some things which you might do by accident and how to fix them. So first thing I want to show you is if I left click up here and drag, you see I can create a new window like this. Then if I click on this button I can choose one of these editors. So for example I could choose this video sequencer, compositor or shader editor. You can also, if you want to get rid of a window, you can left click, drag, and you can pull it up like this, and as you can see, that other menu has disappeared. You can also do that here. I can also switch these. Another thing you might do is if you press Control Space, this now zooms in here, and you might be like, where's all my other menus gone? How do I get them back? All I need to do is left click this back to previous, and now we're back where we were. I hope this helps someone who might have accidentally clicked something or just wants to get more familiar with Blender's UI. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.